Actually, I'm recording all the video. Hey, everybody. Yeah. I have some of my homemade mom's cookies. They are delicious. And my dad. Say hi, Dad. And I just had surgery on my foot. Which really, it wasn't surgery, but still. And Ryan. And I came here because I have some toys and stuff, and I'm going to have to put the camera down for a minute. This is my first video that I'm actually putting on YouTube. This is a guy you have to stick your fingers in the arms for the move. So yeah. I'm going to ask my dad if I can make a channel. And I'm pretty sure he'll say yes. I don't know. But still. I'm going to be doing Minecraft stuff on the Xbox. Tips and tricks and stuff. Redstone, music. Stuff like that. Are you okay, Daddy?
No. Yes, you get strong. You make a no channel.
What are you doing? Stop touching the camera.